Hello students, I hope you all are well and staying at home. Today we will discuss about the topic ratio and proportion. Ratio, a comparison of two numbers, and it can be written in the form of dots as you show it on the screen. The two numbers in a ratio are separated by colon, or it means two dots. Here you see some examples: A ratio B, 2 ratio 3, 25 ratio 56. When we write as a ratio as in the form of fraction, we write ratio sign is converted into upon. It means A upon B, 2 by 3 and 25 upon 56. Now parts of a proportion. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then B and C are the means and A and D are called extremes. Remember, the means is always equal to the extremes. Means product of means is always equal to the product of extremes. We are taking some problems about proportion. First, find n in the proportion. If we having the given proportion 20 upon 30 is equal to 60 upon n, then we just cross multiply them. We get 20 multiply n is equal to 60 multiply 30. Now, we equate both sides dividing by 20, or you can use the option n is equal to 60 multiply 30 upon 20. You will get 90. The value of n is 90. Similarly, we take some more examples. If we having the problem, the ratio of the present ages of Anjali and Ashu is 2 ratio 3. 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 3 ratio 4. Find their present ages. Now, we having given ratio of ages. Anjali to Ashu is 2 ratio 3 as it is given. Now, we consider let the present age of Anjali be 2x and present age of Ashu be 3x. Now, from 5 years hence means we find the age in future tense. So, we always add age of Anjali is 2x plus 5. 2x is its Anjali's present age, and after 5 years her age will be 2x plus 5. Similarly, age of Ashu is equal to 3x plus 5. Now, according to question that after 5 years hence their ages will be 3 ratio 4. So, their ages ratio will be equal to 3 ratio 4. As you see on the screen, 2x plus 5 upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 upon 4. We solving it by taking cross multiplication. Now 4 is multiplied by 2x plus 5 and 3 is multiplied by 3x plus 5. After opening the bracket, we will get 8x plus 20 is equal to 9x plus 15. After solving, we get the value of x is equal to 5. Now putting the value of x in the age of Anjali and Ashu, we get age of Anjali is 10 years and age of Ashu is 15 years. We are consider next question. A natural number has been divided into two parts in the ratio 7 ratio 11. If the difference of the two parts is 20, find the number and two parts. Since the ratio of numbers is 7 ratio 11, so we consider let the numbers be 7x and 11x. Now according to the question, their difference is 20, so 11x minus 7x is equal to 20. After solving it, we get the value of x is equal to 5. Therefore, numbers are 7 multiply 5, that is equal to 35, and 11 multiply 5 is equal to 55. And the required natural number is 35 plus 55, that is equal to 90. I hope you all understand about these. We will come my next video. Thanks for watching it.